grabe!
This is so fun. This is so fun.
Ano nakita mo? Ano animals na doon? Ay, sabi na mag-enjoy sa mga animals eh. Good choice with the jungle.
Honey.
The little one enjoyed the animals. Gabi, maganda yung experience actually yung gabi.
Oo, no?
Kasi yung fire makikita mo, tapos yung...
Pero may init talaga siya, no?
Oh, ang galing, ang galing. What's next? What's next? What's next? We are looking at Moana. Watch tayo saglit, watch tayo saglit. Let's go.